Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini by voice. To begin, simply say "Hey Gemini" or tap the microphone icon on your device. Once activated, you can ask questions, give commands, or start a conversation. Gemini understands natural language, so speak as you normally would. It will then process your request and provide a spoken response, making interactions seamless and efficient. Beyond basic commands, Gemini offers advanced voice features. You can continue a conversation with follow-up questions, and it remembers context. Need to change something you just said? Simply tell Gemini to edit your previous prompt. It can also summarize lengthy articles or documents for you. Plus, integrate it with your smart home to control devices using just your voice. Personalize your Gemini voice experience through its settings. You can choose a different voice for Gemini and adjust its speaking speed to your preference. It's also possible to set your preferred units for measurements, like inches versus centimeters. Remember to manage your privacy settings for voice data and decide whether to enable or disable voice activation for convenience. For the best experience using Gemini by voice, speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Try to use specific language in your requests to help Gemini understand your intent more accurately. A quiet environment will also significantly improve recognition. The more you practice interacting with Gemini using your voice, the more natural and efficient your conversations will become, enhancing your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.